viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Akila. In this video, we'll discuss about vitamin D deficiency. This is not only common in foreign countries where there is a lack of sunshine, it is increasing in India also. We see lot of patients with vitamin D deficiency when they come for consultation related to thyroid problem and also sugar problem. In this video, we'll see how to get enough vitamin in our body and what are the symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. Before seeing the video, please visit NRG Healthcare and subscribe. Also press the bell icon. There are a lot of health related information available for general public from healthcare professionals. First, let's see why vitamin D is important. Vitamin D is very important to maintain the bone health. There are some minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus helps the bone formation and destruction. To maintain this level, vitamin D levels are very important. The second one is for the muscle strength, vitamin D levels are very important. It also helps the immune system to fight the infection. So vitamin D deficiency leads to frequent infection, not able to deal with infections effectively. And also it has an anti-cancer property. These are the few functions of vitamin D. And how we get vitamin D in our body? More than 80% of the vitamin D is obtained through skin. While we get exposed to sunlight, the skin produces the vitamin D. This chemical is an inactive vitamin D which gets into our body and get activated in liver and kidney. So this active vitamin D helps the bone and muscle strength. There are 20% of vitamin D is obtained from diet. Most important diet is non-vegetarian food like fleshy fish, salmon, tuna like fish. And also it is there in egg yolk. Since the dietary source is very restricted, lot of companies give fortified milk and fortified cereals with vitamin D. So obviously lack of sun exposure gives vitamin D deficiency, and also lack of dietary factors which are rich in vitamin D gives vitamin D deficiency. The other reasons are, as I explained, the inactive vitamin D gets activated in kidneys. So any kidney problem, chronic kidney failure can lead to vitamin D deficiency. Similarly, dietary vitamin get absorbed in the intestine. So any absorption problem in the intestine can lead to vitamin D deficiency. So what are the effect of vitamin D deficiency? So bone pain, osteoporosis, if it happens in very young age, the bone growth is affected, the child will be very short compared to their peer group, and also change in the position of shape of the bone, bowing of the bone is common. Similarly, adults also have bone weakness, muscle weakness. Some patients do have immunity related birth. So how we can diagnose vitamin D deficiency? It is very simple. It's doing a blood test to find out the level of vitamin D is done. So normally it should be more than 30. We do see patients with very severe vitamin D deficiency like 2 or 3 readings. So depends on the reading, we will give the advice, either lifestyle modification for borderline deficiency like sun exposure, and increase the food which is rich in vitamin D and fortified food also. If it is very less, we do recommend daily or weekly supplement of vitamin D. So taking vitamin D supplement and having sun exposure will improve your vitamin D levels. So please know about vitamin D deficiency because it is increasing day by day in India also. Share with your friends. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.